It was not the end of the world for award-winning young chef Nicholas Jordan when he was sent on leave due to the impacts of COVID-19. The 26-year-old has gone from world-standard commercial kitchen to cooking in a family friend's food truck launched 2 days ago. Faria Begum with Jordan's success story.
Nicholas Jordan was inspired to cook at an early age when his mother went abroad and there was no one to cook for his father and two brothers.
We all were at home, and then I took up cooking responsibilities from there and basically just took it as a career.
Jordan says there was no turning back from there onwards as he knew cooking would take him to greater heights.
I joined university in FNU in Nasese. From there I had gone down to Nandi, finished off certificate level, which was certificate 4, and then I did a trade test as well.
Since then, Jordan has gained a lot of experience after working for several popular restaurants.
I started from Castaway as an apprentice, and I worked my way up in ranks slowly. So I worked in Castaway Island, I went to Mana Island Resort, been to Windrocker Bay, I left Windrocker, joined Malamala Beach Club, and then I left and went right up to Yasawa, where I currently am still employed at Yasawa Island Resort. And I left because we're on leave at the moment. So I've been in mainland. I was at Lance Cito's restaurant at Canoe, and I had left and I joined, now basically joined the food box and set up the menu and stuff.
For Jordan, working in a food truck is no different from cooking for 5-star resorts because he's still feeding people and still doing what inspires him. Jordan has also been honored with a number of awards.
2016 I was Junior Chef of the Year. 2017 I represent Fiji in Guam. So we went as a Fiji team. From 2017 onwards I've been basically runner-up of Chef of the Year.
The 26-year-old executive chef has only one advice for young people who would like to pursue a career in the food industry.
Don't stay in a place too long, because then you know everything, or you've known, and then you start, there's always shortcuts and stuff that the chefs do. So, and once you go up in ranks, it gets a bit more, basically that shortcut goes to your juniors and they learn it and then it moves. Whereas if you keep moving, there's something new you will always learn in a new environment, new workplace. So that's the way I did it. I didn't stay in one place for too long.
This is not the end for Jordan, as he is working towards one day owning a restaurant. Faria Begum, FBC News.